Imagine your children's bouncing in their favorite inflatable when suddenly a gust of wind sends it soaring like a kite. It is a frustrating and potentially dangerous scenario that every parent wants to avoid. So, what is the secret to keeping those fun inflatables firmly grounded? The truth is, no single type of stake guarantees complete security in all windy conditions. Instead, the best approach involves using heavy-duty ground anchors specifically designed for the terrain, often combining different types for maximum stability. Spiral stakes, rebar anchors, and even specialized sand or water anchors are common choices, selected based on your ground type and the inflatable size. The effectiveness of a stake comes down to several factors, primarily the type of ground, the stake's design, and the force of the wind. A stake creates friction and resistance against the ground, resisting the upward pull of the wind. In soft grass or soil, longer stakes with a wider surface area or a spiral design offer more purchase, meaning they grip more soil. For harder ground, a narrower, stronger stake made of rebar can penetrate better. Wind, especially sudden gusts, creates significant uplift, so the stakes must be able to withstand considerable force without pulling out or bending. To properly secure your inflatable, always check the manufacturer's recommendations first, as they often specify minimum stake requirements. Assess your ground type. Soft soil needs longer, broader anchors, while firm ground might benefit from strong, deep penetrating stakes. Make sure to use all available anchoring points on the inflatable, distributing the load evenly. Insert stakes at an angle, away from the inflatable's base, to increase resistance against upward pull, and bury any ropes or straps to prevent tripping hazards. For truly resilient anchoring, consider using specialized options like heavy-duty steel anchors that screw deep into the ground, or even a deadman anchor system for extreme wind, which involves burying a heavy object like a concrete block. Understanding the tensile strength of your tie-down straps is also crucial. These ratings tell you how much force the straps can safely withstand without snapping under stress. By selecting the right combination of stakes for your specific ground and weather conditions, you are not just securing an inflatable. You are investing in peace of mind, ensuring your children can enjoy safe, uninterrupted fun, no matter how blustery the day.